We are venturing inside the ultra-secret American gold factory, where standard 99.99% pure gold bars are expertly forged.
Security here is paramount. Only authorized personnel pass through these intense checks to reach the inner workings.
Millions in precious metals are refined daily. Every step and process is constantly monitored for maximum safety.
The journey begins with raw, unrefined gold, often scraps or alloys, far from its final, brilliant purity.
Initial weighing and analysis are critical to determine the exact composition and potential value of the incoming batch.
Specialized assayers test the sample's purity meticulously. Knowing the contaminants guides the entire refining process.
The first intense melt burns off many surface impurities, preparing the gold for further chemical and electrical refinement.
Molten gold flows into molds, creating temporary doré bars, still alloyed but ready for advanced purification methods.
Chemical and electrical power combine in this massive electrolysis setup, the true heart of the purity process.
An electric current dissolves the impure gold anode, leaving the contaminants behind and driving pure gold to the cathode.
Slowly, layer by layer, ultra-pure gold crystals plate onto the cathode, a beautiful scientific transformation occurring.
This collected product is already nearly perfect purity, but it needs one final, immaculate melt for bar casting.
The final melt demands extreme cleanliness, ensuring that no impurities from the atmosphere or furnace walls are introduced.
Into the specialized bar molds, the intensely pure, glowing liquid gold flows, beginning its final solidifying shape.
The pure gold must cool at a controlled rate, ensuring perfect consistency and density within the final finished bar.
The rough, newly cast gold bar is carefully removed. Now, it requires crucial finishing and legal marking.
While pure, the bar's surface must be precisely finished, ensuring it meets strict visual and dimensional industry standards.
The official stamp is applied, permanently marking the bar's weight, 99.99% purity, and recognized refiner's mark.
This beautiful finished product represents the pinnacle of refinement, meeting the world's most demanding financial and purity standards.
Every single bar undergoes rigorous quality control, including ultrasonic testing to verify internal consistency and purity.
Safely secured, these certified 99.99% pure gold bars now await transport to central banks and global markets.
A testament to precise engineering and unwavering security, the American gold factory safely guards its incredible precious metal.
Seeing the process reveals the true commitment required to produce gold of this globally recognized, impeccable purity standard.
The cycle never ends. New shipments of raw gold are constantly prepared, feeding the continuous demand for purity.
Raw materials arrive from diverse sources: jewelry, industrial scrap, and older bars, all waiting for ultimate purification.
Accurate analysis is the foundation. Knowing the specific impurities allows for the most efficient and precise refining strategy.
Induction furnaces use powerful electromagnetism to melt the metal quickly and maintain the exact high temperatures required safely.
Initial impurities rise to the surface as slag. These are carefully skimmed off, removing the first layer of contaminants.
The molten metal is poured with careful speed and precision, minimizing air exposure, which could introduce unwelcome oxides.
The impure doré bars are strategically placed as anodes, fully submerged in the conductive, gold-specific electrolyte solution.
The electrolyte solution is key. It chemically dissolves the gold while carefully controlling the unwanted metal impurity's fate.
Constant vigilance is vital. Technicians precisely control the electric current flow for a perfect, contaminant-free separation.
The cathode deposit is a magnificent sight. Gold crystal flakes achieving the required 99.99% purity standard straight from the solution.
To maintain purity, the crystal pure gold is transferred in sealed containers, eliminating any chance of airborne contamination.
The final melting process focuses only on achieving the perfect, dense, uniform shape.
Precise temperature control during casting prevents internal stress and ensures a flawless surface on the final investment bar.
The molds are made of high-density graphite, chosen for its smoothness and ability to withstand high temperatures without contaminating the gold.
Concentration is absolute during the pour.
Any tremor could introduce air bubbles or imperfections that must be avoided entirely.
Slow, controlled cooling is essential. Rushing this stage creates flaws, undermining the bar's density and certification criteria.
The solidified bar, known as a blank, emerges from the mold. It is now heavy, dense, and close to final presentation.
Minor surface imperfections are removed using specialized tools, ensuring the bar is dimensionally perfect for stacking and storage.
The refiner's stamp is a mark of trust. The die must be flawlessly aligned to produce a clear, unmistakable, and official impression.
The official stamp is not just decoration. It is the ultimate, non-negotiable legal certification of weight and 99.99% purity.
Every detail is meticulously inspected. The depth, clarity, and perfection of the stamped markings must meet the highest criteria.
The certified weight must be absolutely precise within the finest tolerances to guarantee its worth to global financial institutions.
Once certified, the bar is immediately placed in tamper-evident packaging to protect both its physical state and its financial integrity.
From the refining floor, the precious cargo is quickly moved under high security into the deeply protected, high-capacity holding vault.
Security protocols are absolute. The movement of certified gold bars is continuously monitored by multiple layers of personnel and technology.
Surrounded by millions in gold, the silent power of the vault emphasizes the incredible financial weight and trust placed in this refinery.
Each bar's unique serial number and location are meticulously logged, ensuring perfect auditing and accountability for every ounce.
It takes a complex blend of advanced chemistry, intense heat, and absolute precision to transform raw material into investment-grade gold.
Careful monitoring of the anodes ensures maximum efficiency, guaranteeing complete separation of the gold from all metallic impurities.
The discarded impurities, including silver and platinum, are collected for further separation. Nothing of value is ever wasted here.
Absolute rinsing is critical. Any trace of the electrolyte solution would contaminate the final bar during the final melt and cast.
Achieving that final 99.99%, requires exponentially more effort, precision, and technique.
The final, pure material is carefully loaded into the pristine crucible, ready for its transformation into a dense, cast gold bar.
Every variable, temperature, pressure, and atmosphere, is controlled by advanced computer systems to eliminate human error during casting.
Preheating the molds prevents premature solidification and thermal stress, ensuring a smooth surface and perfect, uniform internal structure.
An inert gas atmosphere blankets the pouring process, eliminating oxygen and preventing even the smallest chance of surface oxidation or contamination.
The solidified bar is checked immediately for internal consistency. Even a minute bubble could compromise the required density standard.
Now, the rough bar is transformed through precision machining, achieving the perfect dimensional shape for the global market.
The edges must be sharp and precise. Precision grinding ensures that the bar meets the exact size specifications for trading and storage.
To achieve the exact certified weight, minute amounts are sometimes filed off. This precision ensures its verified value.
The alignment must be flawless. The official stamp is the bar's passport, and its clarity reflects the refinery's uncompromising standard.
The sheer pressure of the hydraulic press etches the crucial information permanently, making the bar instantly recognizable and tradable worldwide.
The final, certified weight is recorded. This official data links the physical bar to its digital record, completing the certification.
Before packaging, every bar is subjected to further non-destructive testing, guaranteeing that internal purity and density match the surface stamp.
Ultrasonic waves detect any internal flaws or air pockets, ensuring the gold is uniformly dense and impurity-free throughout its entire volume.
This finished bar is more than just gold. It's a physical representation of global financial trust, backed by intense purity standards. Once sealed, the bar's integrity is protected against all tampering, ensuring its purity and weight are guaranteed until delivery.
From the refining line to the final vault, the movement of certified gold is always swift, secure, and under continuous observation.
Clearance granted.
Biometric and code-based security systems provide the final, impenetrable barrier, protecting the world's most trusted reserve of wealth.
The immense scale of the vault storage confirms this factory's pivotal role in supplying the globe with certified, high-purity gold.
Digital inventory management is as critical as physical security, ensuring absolute, real-time accountability for every bar in storage.
Hidden from public view, this facility's commitment to both purity and impenetrable security sets the global standard for gold bullion production.
The diversity of raw material requires experienced eyes to anticipate processing challenges before the first analysis is even performed.
Primary melt from all very varied raw material, ensuring that the tiny sample taken for final assay is perfectly representative of the batch.
The centuries-old fire assay method is still the gold standard for purity testing, demanding meticulous chemical preparation and heating.
These intermediate doré bars are the perfect shape for the next crucial stage, the precise chemical and electrical separation in the electrolysis cells.
Maintaining the electrolyte's perfect concentration and temperature is vital for the smooth, high-speed, and effective purity transfer process.
The chemical dance of dissolution and deposition separates the gold atom by atom from its impurities, driven entirely by the electrical current.
Harvest of the pure gold crystals is a delicate task, ensuring no pieces of the impure anode or chemical residue are introduced.
In this crystal form, the gold is verified at the exceptional 99.999% purity mark.
Mold preparation is non-negotiable. Absolute cleanliness is required to ensure the final bar's surface is completely free of inclusions.
The final melt temperature is meticulously controlled. A few degrees difference can critically affect the bar's final density and quality.
The molten gold is poured in a continuous stream, a simple action made perfect only by the technicians.
Maximum density is a key sign of purity and perfect casting. Voids within the bar would render it commercially unacceptable and uncertified.
Immediate visual inspection catches any casting flaws. The bar must be perfect on all sides before it is cleared for final finishing and stamping.
The bar now moves to the crucial stamping station where it receives its permanent identity, the purity, weight, and serial number.
Every bar is assigned a unique serial number, essential for tracking and auditing the gold through global financial systems for total accountability.
The refiner's mark is their promise. It signifies that the bar was produced in this facility under the most rigorous and certified standards.
The immense pressure required ensures the markings are deep, clear, and indelible, creating a lasting and certified impression.
With the official stamp complete, this 99.99% gold bar is instantly recognized and accepted as legal tender throughout the world's financial markets.
A final, critical weight check ensures that the stamping process introduced no debris or deviation from the certified weight of the gold bar.
From raw material to final vault placement, a detailed digital audit trail provides complete transparency and accountability for every gram of gold.
The bars are stacked in specific, verifiable sequences, preparing them for the highly secured, short journey to the final, deep storage vault.
The in-house transport is managed with the same rigorous security as external shipments, ensuring continuous protection of the certified bars.
The vault security operates on multiple redundancies, ensuring no single failure can compromise the physical integrity of the protected gold.
After enduring the furnace's extreme heat, the gold finds its final rest in this cold, meticulously controlled environment until its final delivery.
Every bar, now perfectly refined, stamped, and documented, is secured in its precise vault location, ready for the global market.
It's a stark contrast between this dull, impure raw material and the brilliant, flawless, certified 99.
Absolute cleanliness is crucial. The crucible must be flawlessly inspected before loading the next batch, preventing any contamination transfer.
Even a minute amount of contamination at the final stage could drop the purity below the critical 99.9.
Constant human expertise is needed alongside technology, ensuring the raw material melts evenly and is prepared for the crucial assay sampling stage.
The accuracy of the assay is guaranteed to several decimal places, providing the foundational data for all subsequent refining calculations and processes.
Secure electrical connection to the doré anode is vital. It ensures the current flows perfectly, driving the entire electrolytic purification process effectively.
Electrolytic purification is a time-consuming but necessary process, slowly and meticulously separating the gold.
Monitoring the deposit thickness helps technicians manage the electrical current, optimizing the rate of pure gold collection without sacrificing purity.
Complete drying is essential. Any remaining moisture would flash to steam in the final melt, potentially causing voids or minor splatter issues.
To maintain the 9.99% purity, the final casting crucible is coated.
Corinthian forwards. The use of inert gas is a critical, expensive step, specifically designed to eliminate the potential for
The technician's physical stability and focus are paramount.
The weight and heat of the crucible demand years of practiced, unwavering control.
A perfectly smooth surface indicates a successful pour and controlled cooling, ensuring the bar's aesthetic appeal and quality for the customer.
Securely fixing the bar for machining ensures that all subsequent grinding and finishing operations maintain the required dimensional parallelism.
Advanced laser alignment ensures the stamp is perfectly centered and parallel to the bar's edges, reflecting the factory's commitment to excellence.
The stamping sequence is automated for consistent, repeatable pressure, permanently embedding the critical 99.99%.
The unique serial number is the bar's individual identifier, instantly connecting it to its precise purity documentation and the factory's guarantee. Visual inspection, even after stamping, is non-negotiable. No physical surface imperfection is permitted on a certified investment bar.
Density is another check for purity. Water displacement testing verifies the absence of internal voids or unlisted, lighter metallic inclusions.
The official certificate of analysis is printed, permanently associating the bar's unique serial number with its confirmed 99.99% purity data.
From the initial melt to the final stamp, this entire meticulous process is designed to guarantee the highest standards of financial-grade gold.
The gold is sealed in high-security, tamper-evident packaging, ensuring its certified state is protected until it reaches the final customer.
Vault walls are reinforced with a combination of high-density materials designed to defeat any conventional or even unconventional breach attempts.
Strict communication protocols coordinate every movement within the facility, ensuring no ambiguity during high-value material transfers.
The ultimate security safeguard, the colossal vault door, locks down, protecting the fruits of this intense precision.
Surface cleanliness of the anodes is important, preparing the gold for even dissolution in the chemical bath and optimal purity separation.
The anode slimes contain valuable byproducts. The refinery operates a secondary process to recover the valuable platinum group metals.
Even the impurities are valuable. Specialized secondary refining processes reclaim all trace amounts of silver and platinum group metals from the residue.
The pristine rinsing removes all traces of acid, leaving only the near-perfect certified gold crystal.
Controlled, gentle drying ensures the pure gold remains in a fine, powder state, which melts more evenly and ensures a homogeneous final bar.
High-frequency induction provides clean, contained heat, eliminating external contamination sources for this most sensitive of all melting steps.
Maintaining the inert gas atmosphere is a constant priority, preventing any reaction with the ultra-pure gold, which is highly reactive when molten.
Global financial markets demand exact dimensions. The bar's size and shape must align perfectly with certified standards for ease of international trade.
The final, soft polishing brings out the brilliant luster of 99.99% pure gold.
Junior Minis. Beyond the machinery, it is the focused expertise, years of training, and meticulous human vigilance that
every detail of the stamp, including the year and batch code, provides crucial provenance information, ensuring traceability back to the refinery's records.
The weight must be accurate to the finest tolerances, and this precision eliminates any potential for discrepancy in high-value global transactions.
Global financial trust is built on this consistency, these bar manifestation of unwavering quality.
Every bar is scanned one final time before the vault, creating a digital record that confirms its physical presence and exact storage location.
An intricate location grid ensures immediate retrieval of any specific bar batch, streamlining the global logistics of these precious assets.
Beyond electronic tracking, physical audits are regularly performed, adding another human layer of accountability to the massive gold inventory.
Behind these walls, the delicate, fiery, and precise process of creating the world's most trusted 99.9%.
Cleaning the electrolysis cells between batches is vital, eliminating cross-contamination which could introduce impurities to the next round of gold.
The valuable byproducts of the gold refining, including silver, platinum, and palladium, are now ready for their own separate high-purity processing.
The electrolyte solution is chemically balanced with precision, directly impacting the speed and the ultimate purity level achieved in the refining cells.
Running the furnaces and electrolysis cells demands enormous amounts of regulated, stable power, and this facility's operation is highly energy intensive.
For the final seal, the bar surface is perfectly clean, ensuring no residue of any kind compromises the integrity of the tamper-evident packaging.
The deeply etched stamp is designed for permanence, ensuring the bar's certified identity remain absolutely clear through decades of global trade and storage.
The specialized graphite molds are preheated in a vacuum oven, removing all atmospheric moisture that could introduce imperfections into the final casting.
The reading comes at 99.99% pure gold, the internationally accepted and validated standard.
Analyzing historical data allows technicians to precisely estimate refining time, optimizing the throughput of the electrolysis cells for maximum efficiency. Despite all the technology, the gentle, practiced touch of the skilled technician remains vital in handling and preserving the gold's absolute purity. Maintaining the perfect chemical balance is an ongoing process, crucial for the continuous, steady, and high-purity performance of the refining cells.
Quality redundancy is key. Multiple independent tests by different technicians ensure that the fine
The final pouring of the precious metal is completed. The crucible is then immediately checked to ensure no trace of gold is left behind.
The immense, satisfying weight of the 99.99% pure gold bar is immediately noticeable, a physical testament to its value and density.
Precision machining guarantees every edge and face is mathematically straight and perpendicular, meeting the strictest international dimensional standards.
A temporary protective coating is applied over the stamp, guarding the crucial certification marks against any accidental damage during its final transfer.
The final documentation, including weight and purity data, is paired with the physical bar, ensuring all necessary.
From contaminated scrap to globally certified 99.99% pure gold, a monument is gold.
Short trip to the vault is managed with the highest care. Absolute stability is required to avoid any physical impact to the certified gold bars.
The digital inventory instantly updates, reflecting the exact amount and location of the newly certified gold, a seamless, secure system.
The final, audible locking sequence signifies the end of the production cycle and the absolute protection of the day's refined precious metal. In this secured American facility, the legacy of gold refining continues, producing the world's most reliable and trusted.
Meticulous, hourly cleanup prevents cross-contamination. Maintaining a sterile casting environment is crucial for achieving quadruple 9 purity.
The final sign-off is a heavy responsibility. It is the refinery's ultimate guarantee of the bar's weight,
dimensions. The process requires perfect material flow. The doré bars are carefully moved and cued.
A collaboration between metallurgists, chemists, and engineers ensures that every stage of the complex refining process is perfectly executed. Intermediate sampling provides necessary checks, ensuring the gold's purity is increasing optimally before the final, intensive collection and melting.
Research and development constantly seek to refine the process further, aiming for even greater energy efficiency and quicker, more precise purification methods.
A thermal signature check verifies that the bar is cooling evenly, guaranteeing a uniform internal structure essential for its certified density.
The perfect, brilliant finish is the outward sign of the complex, flawless, and intensely pure process.
For high-volume production, the stamping dies are sequentially prepared, ensuring continuous, seamless marking of all certified gold bars in the batch.
The final quality check involves forensic-level scrutiny of the stamp, ensuring every letter and number is deep and clear for permanent identification.
The physical weight confirmation travels with the bar, providing immediate, certified proof of its mass upon its arrival at any global destination.
When transferred, the gold leaves under the heaviest security, an operation as precise and controlled as its complex journey to ultimate purity.
The manager verify this.
This secretive American facility remains a crucial linchpin of global finance, guaranteeing the world's standard for
The relentless pursuit of purity never stops. The next batch of raw material is prepared.
Cutting-edge technology ensures the precision, speed, and safety needed to produce certified gold bullion consistently at this extraordinary purity level.
Every process parameter is logged and analyzed. Maintaining consistent quality requires minute-by-minute data review and strict process adherence.
Achieving the 99.999% standard is only possible with stringent adherence to the world's most recognized and demanding.
Beyond the next band. The audio description features a voiceover stating, "Final purity confirmation of the crystal gold is..."
The finished 99.99% gold bar, a perfect combination of science, trust, security, and the enduring, unmatched value of precious metal.
The final secure container ensures the bars are protected, eliminating movement that could compromise the surface or the anti-tamper seals.
Continuous high-resolution surveillance maintains constant vigil over all gold. Every stage, every movement, every second is documented and protected.
Physical patrols confirm the integrity of the secured perimeter, adding a final, human layer of protection to the highly valuable operation within.
Team's dedication to precision and security is unparalleled, and they are the true guardians of the world standard for gold bullion purity.
Automated systems monitor the critical refining parameters overnight, ensuring the electrolytic process continues safely and without any degradation of purity.
Listen, 99.99% fine gold. A fractional purity achieved only through scientific mastery, intense.
The final heavy outer gate is closed. The secret gold factory is locked down.
I'm Clovis. Thank you for joining us inside this secret world where the intense process of creating 99.99% pure,
Unseen, secure, and perfect. The 99.9% pure GARs of the American factory.